Hey guys, this is Eric Miller, and I'm at M&M 2024 in Cleveland, Ohio, in the mega booth. There's still a party going on, and this is Ellen from Exum Instruments.
That's correct.
And you have this really interesting thing in your booth that why is it here? Can you tell us?
Yeah, great question. What is a mass spectrometer doing at a microscopy conference?
Yes.
And the answer is that we've got a laser-based mass spectrometer that allows us to create elemental maps on the millimeter scale with micron resolution that gives you very complementary data to what you're getting with some of these other microscopy tools.
Yeah, so Ellen, there are tons of mass spectrometers out there.
Right.
I mean, people sell those things like hotcakes. So why is it that yours is special? Why would someone say, oh, I need to buy your mass spectrometer?
Yeah, so a few things here. So we are the first mass spec that combines a dual laser system, so a laser ablation and laser ionization system with a time-of-flight mass spec. And the advantage with that is that the laser ablation allows us to just directly analyze solid materials. So you may be familiar with some mass spec systems that you have to get the sample into a liquid form. That means a lot of wet chemistry, digesting things in acid, not fun. So we can directly analyze solid materials. And then the ions that we create, because every mass spec technique needs ions, they're more representative of the sample's constituents than when we're creating ions from a plasma and when we're doing things like using argon gases. And the other advantage is that all of this is done under vacuum, so we can measure those low mass elements that are traditionally very difficult to measure with other techniques. Things like lithium for the battery industry, things like carbon, nitrogen, oxygen that are really important to a materials scientist. So, and then the other big advantage is it's in a 2-foot by 2-foot package that I think you'll get to see soon. And so it just fits on your desktop, so you don't need a full traditional clean laboratory and a lot of space in order to use it.
So if someone's interested in learning more about your mass spec instrument, where do they find you online?
So we are at exuminstruments.com. You can also find us on LinkedIn as well as YouTube, and please reach out to us and tell us about your materials testing needs, and we'll see if we could be a good solution for you.
Okay, awesome. Well, thanks a lot. We'll see you on the next one. Here we go.